opposition parties have expressed disapproval over President Bola Tinubu's frequent international travels, accusing him of prioritizing globetrotting over addressing pressing domestic issues. NaijaNews reports that in the past 18 months, Tinubu and Vice President Kashim Shettima have embarked on 43 trips across 28 countries, with the president visiting 17 countries on 30 occasions. And currently, Tinubu is in France for a state visit, which has drawn further criticism from opposition figures. The National Deputy Youth Leader of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, Timothy Osadolo, described Tinubu's pattern of foreign visits as excessive. He said, he believes more than ever before that being a president is only an exercise by how much you travel across the world. He's busy globetrotting rather than sitting down to cut waste and develop the country's economy. Foreign trips are good for investment attraction. But why do you have ministers of trade and investment as well as foreign ambassadors in this country? Also, these are several international business platforms the government should explore on one hand. Osadolo wondered why the funds spent on such trips could not be put to good use to salvage thousands of jobless Nigerian youths. Speaking on the matter, the National Publicity Secretary of the new Nigerian People's Party, Ladipo Johnson, expressed reservations about the President Tinubu's frequent travels abroad. According to Johnson, the trend is becoming worrisome. At the end of the day, we will see his scorecard when they mark his papers by May next year, which will be the midterm of his 4 years. Then we can see the result of what he has invested so much in traveling and what has come out of it, he said. Meanwhile, the presidential spokesman, Sunday Dari, who spoke in an interview with TVC on Friday, explained that Tinubu, the chief marketer of Nigeria, couldn't afford to sit back. Yes, there is work for the president at home, but he cannot be a sit-at-home president. He must go out there and speak for this country. He needs to make a strong pitch. The president is #1 spokesperson for his administration. These trips aren't junkets. They are critical for the country's development. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates and exclusive videos.